Hello students, welcome to Grade Up, India's largest exam preparation destination, and this is the Achievers Corner where we meet the students who got top ranks in various competitive exams. And my friends, today over video call we have Ravi Teja who has secured 57 rank in GATE 2020 in civil engineering. So my friends, he has made us and his family proud. So, my friends, I will be today only a mediator. Whatever the questions you are having in your mind, I'm just a mediator, my friends. Believe me, I'm asking whatever you are having in your mind. I'm asking just those questions to him. My friends, रवि तेजा ने आज ये सिद्ध कर दिया है. He has proved this कि मेहनत करो तो फल मिलता है. मेहनत करो तो फल मिलता है. आज नहीं तो कल मिलता है. जितना गहरा कुआं खोदोगे उतना मीठा जल मिलता है. तो आइए ले चलते हैं आपको रवि तेजा के पास एंड लेट अस आस्क हिम सम क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग हिज प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी, रिगार्डिंग हिज बैकग्राउंड, रिगार्डिंग हिज टिप्स. व्हाट लेट अस सी व्हाट टिप्स ही कैन गिव टू यू. Just introduce yourself to our viewers, to our students, so they know more about you.
Yeah, I'm Ravi Teja. I graduated from IIT Bombay in 2019. I have given GATE for the second time in 2020, and I have secured 57th rank.
Oh.
And I also cleared ESC prelims and ISRO also. I have got the call from ISRO also recently.
Oh, that's unbelievable. See, my friends, so you have cleared your BTech exam in 2019.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my friend, see, Ravi has get his graduation degree from IIT Bombay in 2019, and he got selected in GATE 2020 with 57 All India rank and scoring 83.28 marks, and simultaneously he cleared engineering service prelims exam and also the ISRO exam.
Yes, sir.
And my friends, see, once you get up to a threshold level and you cross that threshold level, my friends, you are clearing not only one exam, many exams. That's why with past so many years, I'm observing that one student get a threshold level, he cleared that level, he does not score only one exam, but he clears many exams.
Yes, sir.
So Ravi, many students are having this question, so they mail us that ask this question from Ravi sir, that Ravi, when you got the result, then how was your feeling? How was your parents feeling? What was the reaction?
I already checked the response sheet by then. I know I might be getting rank around 100, but I was very happy. It was like 57. It's better than what I expected. I immediately called my parents. That was the most happiest moment for me. So calling my parents, they are very proud. Yeah.
So when your result came, you were in Bombay?
No, sir. In Hyderabad, I was preparing for ESC conventional examination.
Okay. So your parents are living in?
They are living in a village near Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh.
In Andhra Pradesh only. So they are very proud of you. So first of all, you talk to your father or mother? Whom you call?
Mother.
So that might be a very good reaction and very good feeling you are having.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ravi, please, to our viewers, they want to know that how was your journey like when you decided to appear for the GATE exam?
During my college, I already knew that I wanted to join engineering services.
Yes.
So that was my prime motive. So I have been giving my semesters dedicatedly. I mean, I was attending classes regularly, and I was preparing for it ESC from then. I mean, not fully, but at least the subjects which are in the semester. And in my final year, I'm not eligible to write ESC because of my age. So I wanted to prepare for ESC 2020 by taking a break of 1 year.
Okay.
That was one of the best decisions I have made, I feel now. I mean, I was little worried whether it is a good decision to take a 1 year drop or not. But it was the best.
Okay, so that 1 year drop makes you better, gets a better result out of you.
Yes, sir. No regrets.
Okay, no regrets.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, just one more curious question that all students are having, that when you are giving the GATE exam or you have also cleared the engineering service exam,
Yes, sir.
so have you prepared for all subjects or one or two subjects you have missed or you have not prepared?
Yeah, I've prepared for all subjects. After ESC prelims, I was only preparing for the subjects which has more weightage in GATE. Like for example, the subjects like steel structures, the RCC, which has very less weightage and huge syllabus, so they are not worth the practice. I thought that
Okay.
subjects like transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, engineering mathematics, they are having more weightage, so I have given more stress on them. I solved some of the previous year questions in that 1 month. Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you have you done some test series also?
Yes,
you
sir.
appeared?
I've given around 8 tests, but I feel it is the less number. More the tests you will give, better the rank you get. I
Okay.
also feel now like if I had given more tests by then, I would have gotten better rank.
So when at that time you are giving the grade up test series, how you are liking it? You're liking it good up to the GATE level?
Yes, yes,
It
sir.
helps you?
Like the best thing is the grade up have subject-wise test series.
Yes.
You can immediately attempt those after the subject is completed.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. And it is like at our fingertip.
Yes.
The online world, it's completely easy to practice questions, to know about syllabus, notifications. The grade up helped me a lot.
Okay, so my all dear viewers, I want to let you know that Ravi Teja got 57 rank and he has given the test series that is provided by the grade up. And my friends, he finds it very helpful and it helps him to achieve the rank. And my friend Ravi, these days the engineering services mains class is also going on. So I
Yes,
know
sir.
that you are attending them. So how you are liking them? The morning 9 a.m. classes.
Of course, you are teaching them, and they are very great, sir. Actually, it's helping me a lot. Oh, in this quarantine days, I don't have any books with me, and like I'm completely relying on digital sources, and GradeUp is helping me a lot.
Okay, so my dear students, see 9 a.m. the grade up has come with free series, that is free series, the conventional series, and Ravi Teja is attending them regularly in this lockdown period. Since he cannot go out and many books are in another place, so still he is getting the benefit. So you can also take the benefit. So Ravi, your ultimate aim is engineering services. I got to know this, not GATE.
Yes.
So through GATE, you are getting admission in MTech or PSUs, or you are leaving that rank?
I'm not going for any MTechs. I have applied for some PSUs as a backup, as railways vacancies are decreased, so I applied for some backup.
Okay, for backup, but ultimate aim is ESC.
ESC.
Yes, my friends. See, the civil has a very good future in ESC. The power, the prestige, the reputation of a civil engineer is totally different from others. So my friend Ravi Teja has known this, and he's just taking GATE as a backup. Just GATE is a comma in his life. So he's moving forward for ESC also. So you can also clear him here. And Ravi, in 2019 also you have given this exam?
Yes, sir. I've given GATE, but I'm not eligible for ESC. In GATE, I got around 1500 rank.
Okay.
From which I haven't gotten anything. I applied for some PSUs, but I haven't gotten any car.
So, my dear students, from 1500 in 2019 to 57 rank in 2020. So, you can think that nothing is impossible if your determination is totally high and you are throughout the consistent. So, many students also this year not selected in MTech, not selected in PSUs, not getting the desirable rank. So with seeing the journey of Ravi Teja, my commandos, my friends, you can also do that from 1500 to directly 57. That is a tremendous jump. So you can also inspire from him and take this. Ravi, for one more questions from students' point of view, let me ask on behalf of them that when you are giving the paper, so have you finished in 3 hours?
Yes, sir. For GATE, 3 hours is more than enough if you prepared well. I should say for the first time when I was giving GATE, time was not sufficient because I was deriving the formulae. or something in the exam itself. The 2020 when I'm giving it, the time was more than enough for me.
Okay. So how you managed ESC and GATE both?
Yeah, I don't have any thoughts about GATE while during ESC preparation. Till January 5th, I was completely dedicated to ESC, general studies, and the technical
Okay.
one. After that, I started giving test series and solving previous year questions of GATE after January 5th, between February 9th.
Okay. So you are giving grade up test series for ESC also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since the technical syllabus is almost same, but yes, pattern is quite
Yeah,
different, but syllabus is almost same. So
Yeah,
that also helps
yeah.
in both exam.
Yes, sir.
Just a little more effort and little general studies subject you have practicing more, you will be selecting in ESC also, na? Every
Yes,
student.
yes,
So see,
sir.
my
Yes.
friends, the pattern is almost same for all technical exam. That is not much difference. Let me give you example. When you are in 12th, you are preparing for IIT, JEE, BITS planning or state service exam or any other exam. But the
Yeah.
almost pattern is almost same. Yeah, 90% syllabus is 95% same, and pattern is 90% same. So if you're, I don't know, even when I'm teaching Ravi, if I'm teaching SFD BMD, I don't know how to
Yes.
teach SFD BMD for GATE and how to teach for ESC. So that is same for both,
Yes,
na?
they same. Yes, sir.
The same. So if you're getting over a threshold level, then you're clearing many exams.
Yes.
Okay.
But during the exam, it's like ESC is all about time.
Yes. Time management is
The more
necessary.
the more you manage during the exam, more marks will you get. You will get for
Okay.
ESC.
And
GATE is all about practice. I should say. More
Yes.
practice you do, more marks you get.
Yes, and more practice, and GATE is a little bit conceptual exam, and ESC is hardworking,
Yes.
I can say.
Yes. Yes.
ESC requires hard work, and GATE
Yes.
requires concepts.
Concepts. Yes.
Okay. So one more question that many students are asking from me from past 8+ years I'm teaching. So you are the better one to answer that. That how many hours you study in a particular day?
Like I'm very lazy. I hardly study 4 or 5 hours a day. That's it.
Okay, 4 to 5 hours a day, but that is consistent.
Yeah, that is consistent.
Okay, so
Uh,
all viewers जो लोग
uh,
कहते हैं, जो लोग yes
yeah,
yes please.
I wanted to say that people will revise, but they don't give test series before the exams generally.
Okay.
That's a huge miss. I mean, you cannot complete the syllabus any day.
Okay.
Complete syllabus. So you should start giving test series if your syllabus is completed or not. That's like that helped me a lot. I mean, when I compare myself with my fellow friends, that gave me advantage. Test
Okay.
series.
So always see test series plays a very important role. Okay, so always, because that gives you the feel of the exam, that gives you time management, that if you are on that particular time, if you are able to solve the exam or not. So Ravi Teja has given the grade up test series and he has achieved 57 rank. He has cleared the engineering service prelims. So my friends, why not you, yeah? And see, one more very important point that I like about his strategy, that he is very gently saying that he is studying for 4 to 5 hours. So my friends, there is a myth that only 12 hours study leads to the result. Even if you are preparing for 4 to 5 hours and you are consistent and you are not cheating, you are faithfully working or studying for 4 to 5 hours, then you can get results. But the hard work should be on a proper way, on a proper direction. The direction should be there in other than hard work. Yes, Ravi?
Yes, I completely agree with.
So you make short notes also of different subjects?
Yeah, sir, for some subjects, but it is better to make short notes for all the subjects.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, Ravi Teja is saying he has made short notes for some subjects, but he is suggesting you simultaneously to make short notes for all subjects, my friend. So, Ravi Teja, now in the coming months, whenever this lockdown period is over, so you are preparing for ESC mains, so you will
Yes.
get that exam. So, how you are preparing for engineering services subjective?
I've been solving previous year questions.
Okay.
I'm not referring any I mean, concepts again. Have been solving questions from grade up, conventional practice questions, and from previous year questions. That's what I'm doing, and I
Okay.
wanted to give some mock tests also.
Okay. So when you given the GATE exam on Feb, so after the exam and you with the response sheet, you will be able to know that you are getting this much marks in this range, plus
Yeah,
minus one.
yeah,
But
yes.
before the exam, are you knowing that you will be getting this much rank, 57 rank in GATE?
I was hoping for a better rank. I haven't expecting any good rank like 57 or so, but I'm hoping for a good rank there.
Okay, hoping for good rank, but not sure about 57 or less than 100.
Yeah, yes.
And your more focus was ESE.
Yes, see, that's why
You're more
I'm not
focused on
sure
ESE.
about.
So,
Yeah.
so since you have cleared GATE with a flying rank, 57 rank, very good marks, 899 GATE score, but your main motive is ESE. So after
Yes,
ESE, also some other civil services or like that, if you're preparing after that.
I haven't yet decided for it, but I wanted to go for a civil engineering job as of now.
Okay, technical job, not techno managerial.
Yes, sir.
So in many students do silly mistakes. So in exam, when you came and see the result response sheet, so are there any silly mistakes on your side?
Yes, sir. There are only two questions that I don't know. Remaining all are silly mistakes.
Okay, so you have
Yes,
attempted 63 questions.
No, I attempted all the questions. 65.
All 65 questions.
I generally attempt all the questions. I never leave
Okay,
anyone.
when I was student, I also attempt all the questions. So you attempted 65 questions and
Yes.
got 83.28 marks.
3.28. Yes.
So there were silly mistakes also, around 5 to 7 marks. Your silly mistakes are also there.
Yes.
So my friends, one more point I would like to add, that it is not necessary that you are 100% accurate, then only you are getting result. See, he got 57 rank, he attempted for 100 marks, all 65 questions. And same rank, 58, 59, 56, 50 rank is attempted by one of those students also, that who has attempted only 85 marks.
Yes.
So this is not clear-cut tradition that if you are 100% accurate, just calculated risk is also good sometimes.
It depends on individual. Yes.
It depends on individual. So every Kohli is having different batting style and Dhoni is having different batting style, but both are successful.
Yes.
One is proper technical shot, one is just its own shots.
Yes.
Okay. So any more information that you would like to give your aspirants, the future GATE aspirants, your juniors, any message to them?
Yes, sir. I always say the word practice. More the practice, you will get more marks. It's all about there is no new concepts in GATE. All the old concepts only. We should give more practice.
Thanks, Ravi Teja, for joining the Achievers Corner on GradeUp, that is India's largest online learning platform. My friends, so you have seen that Ravi Teja has given his answer so humbly, so politely. See the calmness in his attitude. Just here from him, my friends, we can see that just only 3 to 4 hours of study, but in a right direction, can lead to your very good rank. My friends, he is not studying like 10 to 12 hours. Just focus, my friends. Just believe on just focus, just believe on yourself. You will get rank, my friends, like him. So just 3 to 4 hours study, and my friends, see, he is directly from 1500 rank to directly 57 rank. So my friends, next time I will be taking yours interview. Okay. So my friends, prep smart, be safe, go grade up. Thank you.